Hi, I'm 𝗕𝗂𝗶𝗿𝗂𝗏, the Director at Inverurie Pre-Cast. At Inverurie Pre-Cast, we've been making precast concrete products for 40 years. Do for house builders, civil engineering, contractors, and anyone else need anything concrete. We've got our own mould makers here, so we make all sorts of different bespoke products, small windowsill to 15-16 ton foundation slabs. Before we got the conveyors and hopper feeders installed, we had to feed our mixing plant directly from a telehandler, which didn't give us much storage capacity. So we looked at Coveya to get feeder hoppers and conveyor belts as well. Yeah, so I got in contact with Coveya because I'd used their product in the past, which I was happy with. We supplied Coveya the measurements. Conveyors arrived, we fitted everything ourselves. Everything was modular, so it all bolted together. We managed to slide everything in and it worked fine, and I was very happy with all the products. Coveya was really helpful to deal with, and they designed all our stuff for us, and everything fitted perfectly. And I'd easily recommend it, Coveya, to anybody else that was looking to get Coveyas or hopper feeders fitted.